Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang energy ng inyong kaperahan ngayong March 2026. So we will see what's coming to you sa inyong money, career, finances. So paalala lang, this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Nandun na lahat ng information na kailangan nyo. Or you can directly book for a reading using my calendar. Nasa link yung description. O kaya, nasa description yung link. And, or, nasa comment section. Okay, ayan na. So, let's go, Leo. Energy ng inyong kaperahan ngayong March 2026. Oh, Urus. This is vitality and power. So, maaring magsisipag ka ngayon. Magsisipag ka like parang you're going to be very busy ngayong March when it comes to your career, your business, your finances. You also have Dagas. Dagas is about hope, self-love. So, I think merong magkakaroon ng balance sa life mo. Like, example, hindi lang naman puro trabaho, but also about taking care of yourself. So, mas may time ka na makapag-exercise or, do healthy things like mga routines mo, babaguhin mo rin. You also have ihwas. Excuse me. Nauubo pa rin ako. Excuse me. So, ihwas. Ihwas is about rebirth, endings, new beginnings. So, I think meron kang goal Meron kang certain goal ngayong March. This can be goal mo sa iyong mga, parang halimbawa gusto mo sa ngayong March na meron kang recognition na ma-achieve. For example, hindi ka na a-absent or hindi ka na malilate. So, gusto mo magkaroon ka ng perfect attendance sa trabaho ngayong March. Kasi meron niyang rewards para sa'yo. Pwedeng sa trabaho nyo, may makukuha kang extra income kapag ikaw ay walang absent, diba? Or maayos yung attendance mo. Some of you naman, pwede ring may pagbabago. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay ma-relocate or malilipat ng ibang branch ng work or career or pwedeng ibang company. You are leaving a company to start a new work sa ibang company. Or pwedeng ikaw ay magsisimula talaga ng sarili mong business. So, aalis ka sa work to start your own business. But definitely, you are going to focus on your kalusugan. Kasi nga, health is wealth. Ang kalusugan ay kayamanan para sa'yo. Safe travel. You are also going to travel. So, iba sa inyo pwedeng travel for work, travel for business, or mag-abroad talaga kayo for good. O, diba? Beauty. You are also going to take care of yourself. Yung sarili mo, paano mo ipresenta yung sarili mo? Mas magiging conscious ka the way you show yourself to the world. You also have, diba? New beginnings talaga. This is transformation. So, I see a lot of number 4. Number 4 is about stability. This is about structure, security, protection. And also number 22 is a master number. So I see you na creating something, like this is manifestation of the things that you want to happen or to achieve in your life or in your career specifically. So some of you, new beginnings, bagong trabaho. Or like bagong role sa work mo. Let's see what other messages for Leo. Kaperahan. 9 of Swords. Merong, nangungulit sa'yo. Financially. Sino to? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng merong kayong bagong, tawag nito, leadership role, pero nakaka-stress. Oo. Alam mo yung tipong, na-promote ka sa work, pero ang daming ine-expect sa'yo, ang daming mo kailangang isipin, ang daming mong kailangang gawin. So, that can be stressful for you. You have the 7 of Pentacles. You're expecting a lot. pwedeng nag-expect ka ng maraming bagay sa trabaho mo ngayon, pero parang feeling mo kasi hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo. Oo. Yeah, you have the Three of Pentacles. So, I see you having more options available sa'yo. So, pwedeng, ayun nga, you are considering na maghanap ng another source of income or, you know, parang to back you up or just in case ayaw mo na sa trabaho mo, you want a new career path, you have the Hanged Man. Ito ay pag-iisip, ito ay self-reflection rin. Meron kang decision making na gagawin whether you want to leave this career path, trabaho, or situation that you are in for a new beginning. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So I think whatever this is na bagong darating para sa'yo, this is going to bring you financial stability kumpara sa dati mong career path or source of income. Kasi parang you've been waiting for that moment na maibigay sa'yo yung dinideserve mo. But then, nung nakuha mo na, parang, ay, ba't parang ganito lang? Ganon. Ba't parang may kulang? Ba't parang hindi ito yung gusto ko? Ganon. So, I also see na maaaring kino-consider mo yung to go like independent, na ikaw lang, na pwedeng you will have your own business or self-employment or you are going to be your own boss and going to be more creative. And at the same time, pwede rin meron kang makakasama rito, like makakatulong para sa pagbuo mo ng bago mong project or business or trabaho. Career fulfillment. You're going to pursue a career na nag-a-align sa passion mo. Oo, it has to be something that you are passionate about para mas andun yung yung excitement, andun yung perseverance, 'di ba? Determination. Ayan, income diversification. So, yung i-diversify mo yung income sources mo. So, like what I mentioned kanina, hindi lang isa or parang merong magdadagdag ka ng another source of income for you to try something new. Parang ang backup, no? Kakaroon ka ng backup plan. And you will also invest. Ayan. So, pwedeng nag-aaral ka ngayon or nagsisimula ka ng mag-invest, let's say, sa stock market, sa crypto, or anything that, yung mga high interest. Anong tawag doon? Basta yung, let's say, mga digital banks, di ba, meron silang higher interest rate, na instead na sa banko mo, regular bank mo siya, ilalagay yung pera mo, ilalagay mo siya dun sa mga digital banks na merong higher interest rate. Yan. So, somehow, no, I see you na dinadagdagan mo yung sources of income mo because you want to fulfill yung financial stability as early as you can, no? Na hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng matagal pa. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.